Hello! In this video, I will talk about the IBM Cloud, the dashboard, about the portal, which is the main page, cloud.ibm.com, and we have the dashboard. I will explain for you to understand more or less how the dashboard works. So it's like this. Within IBM Cloud, basically we have some super important points. We have this hamburger menu here and this little part here with the icons of the specific account description. But we have the dashboard, right? So let's go. What is this first part of the dashboard? In the dashboard, we have here the main, let's say, tutorials of IBM Cloud. So this here is important. For example, I am in a corporate account of mine here. And what is this widget showing? This widget is showing me that in my current account, I have 4 resources, right? VPC resources, 8 of services and storage. See that we can visualize through the resource summary, right? The summary of resources, what my account is using at this moment. On my right side, I can see how the IBM Cloud is around the world now. So at this moment, we don't have any problems. So this widget shows you the service availability within IBM Cloud, and of the services I am currently using, it shows me the planned maintenance. There is a service that is important for you to pay attention to. This is a super important item of IBM Cloud. To start with IBM Cloud, you have to begin in 2 places. One is the hamburger menu, where it will show all the IBM Cloud services divided into categories and through the catalog. In the catalog, I can also see here all the services of IBM Cloud. So here, look, for example, now I am seeing all the services of IBM Cloud. I can come here and even change the way I want to view it. I want to view it through lists or through this icon view. Yet here I select do categories. For example, I want to see just the computing section. So here it will show me just the computing section. I come here and disable it. I want to see only the storage part. Only the storage part, and it shows me only the storage part. I come here and disable it, go back. Now I want to see only the container part. It shows me only the container services, okay? So that helps. This information helps you navigate within IBM Cloud more easily